Hello dear students, let's see one more example of gray batch normal form. Now the problem asked over here again is convert the following grammar to gray batch normal form. Now just check that the grammar given over here is a context free grammar. But this grammar has the first production E derives E plus E, where this particular grammar, this particular production is left recursive. You can watch. This is of the form A derives A alpha or beta. I mean, if I write this as follows, E derives E plus E or ID. As you can see, E derives ID also. So I have written or. E derives E plus E or ID. Clearly, this is of the form A derives A alpha or beta, where this can be thought of A is A derives same non-terminal occurs on the right hand side plus E. So this portion plus E is the alpha, and or what is written after or is beta, correct? So what we should do if left recursive grammar is given and we are asked to find out GNF, then the only way is to remove the left recursion. So what did you learn in the earlier videos? How do you remove left recursion from this grammar? You revise or you rewrite this grammar as A derives, first you write beta, then followed by a new symbol A dash or simply beta. That means you preserve this A derives beta. This grammar you preserve A derives beta, but you introduce A derives beta A dash. But then A dash is a new symbol. So A dash derives alpha A dash. Now comes this portion alpha A dash or alpha. This is the revised grammar over here. So coming back to this is the original CFG given. We will write this as E derives E plus E or ID. So how do you write this? This is A derives A alpha or beta. This is E derives E, and this alpha is plus ID. This is alpha or beta. Here beta is only ID. So this will be revised as, check it, E derives ID E dash, beta E dash or simply ID. Look, again you are preserving this E derives ID, but E dash is a new symbol. So E dash should derive alpha E dash, and notice alpha is, I'm so sorry, alpha is plus E. I'm so sorry. Just excuse me for that. Okay. Yeah, it was E plus E. So this is alpha. This is alpha. So we will write alpha, that is plus E followed by E dash. Correct? Because the second production is alpha E dash. E dash derives alpha. This is alpha E dash or simply alpha. Plus E is alpha, isn't it? Okay. And you just observe very clearly, this particular grammar, is GNF. Because see the right hand side over here. I'll write it again. E derives ID E dash or ID. See the right hand side. It begins with a terminal followed by a non-terminal, or right hand side simply contains a terminal. Check other production plus E dash. Check, this begins with a terminal. Plus is a terminal followed by only non-terminals. List of non-terminals we have. Or plus E, it begins with a terminal followed by a non-terminal. All the productions are in GNF. So removing left recursion but naturally will result in GNF, gray batch norm form. As another example, let's write some arbitrary grammar. Let's say S derives A B, let's say, and then A derives AB or C. Just observe this. B derives D. Now in these productions, you can easily see that the second production is left recursive. By the way, we have to convert this into GNF. The problem is still the same. Convert the grammar into GNF. into GNF. Okay. Now you can see that this first production is already in GNF. Begins with a terminal followed by non-terminals. This is not in GNF. But then this can be easily rewritten as two productions, isn't it? What exactly are we going to write? A derives beta. Beta is C, A dash. Or simply beta. Check, this is beta, isn't it? In this production. And what is A dash? A dash is alpha. Now alpha is this B. So B, A dash, or simply alpha. That's it. And the first production was anyway in GNF, and the last production B derives D is anyway in GNF, because B, capital B derives small d, only a single terminal on the right hand side. Then this entire grammar is in GNF. See, every production is in GNF. Okay, so this is the way how left recursion can be removed. Actually, the topic was GNF, gray badge norm form, but you know the biggest challenge while converting a CFG to a GNF, mostly what happens is CNF may contain left recursion, and you want to convert that into GNF. Just remove the left recursion, use the steps that we saw in these videos, and ultimately when you convert the left recursion to non-left recursion, without left recursion, you will get GNF. Okay, so that's it for gray badge norm form. We will return to this topic, gray badge norm form, when we learn push down automata. Huge application of gray badge norm form is found in construction of push down automata. Thank you very much.